Today, I'm cooking common fowl. Garlic, black pepper, Jamaican chicken seasoning, seasoned to the bone, very lightly salted, homemade green seasoning. Now I'm going to massage the green seasoning into the chicken, making sure it's fully coated. Cover tightly with foil and into the oven it goes. After roasting for an hour, I remove the chicken from the oven. While that cooks, I peel and wash carrots, potatoes, onions, and sweet potato. Then arrange them at the bottom of the pan. The cooked chicken goes right on the top of the vegetables. Next, I mix my homemade green seasoning with crushed tomatoes, and pour it over everything. Then it goes back in the oven for another 15 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. If only you could smell the aroma coming from the chicken. It's incredible. Nothing like a good plate of rice and peas with roasted chicken.